Alright guys, so it's NHhouse here, and today guys, quickly I want to share with you something that has been on my mind. And a lot of you actually asked me to put out a video teaching you how to send bulk emails even using your smartphone. And actually it's gonna be a quick one, alright, because I told you that it has been on my mind. Alright, I'm currently doing something, but I felt I should just share this right now with every one of you who is interested in sending bulk emails using your smartphone. If you want to use your smartphone to send bulk emails, yeah, you can do it, and I'm going to teach you right here, right now in this video. So what I want you to do right now for me is to make sure you hit the subscribe button in appreciation, all right, because the daily grind for me is that I put out content here to teach you guys new method and new tricks on how to go about succeeding online. So if you're happy with that, or maybe you're new on my channel and you actually want to make money online, or you want to learn some certain things that can help you build with online, so all you have to do right now is to make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you give this video watching a like. All right, appreciate my doings, appreciate the effort I put out trying to bring out nice content and educative content, teaching you one thing or the other in the internet space. All right, so if you're happy with this, make sure you subscribe and also give this video you're watching a like. So now, how do you go about sending bulk emails using your smartphone? Very, very simple, guys. I told you this thing, I've been doing this for a while now, and I've been doing this years back. Yeah, I've been doing this years back, even before I got myself a laptop. I've been doing this years back, right? Now, if you want to send bulk emails, all right, I'll be truthful here, guys. I'll be truthful. With your smartphone, you need to make use of your Gmail application. No any other way for me. All right, I told you, no any other way for me, no suitable way for me. All you have to do is to make use of your Gmail application, guys. I told you that is the only option you have if you're making use of a smartphone. And I'm telling you that if you're actually going to be making use of your Gmail application, it is something that can be tiring, but I tell you it is promising. All right, it can be tiring, but it is actually promising. And why do I say so? Now, if you're sending mails with your Gmail account, you should know that you have a high conversion rate. What do I mean by that? If you're sending a particular mail to me right now, Google is believing you have my email address, so you should know me, right? And you're sending directly from your own email address, you're going to be having your email sent directly to my inbox. And this is something a lot of email marketing services promises, but I told you they don't fulfill that. They don't fulfill that as well. If you're making use of email marketing services, all right, I don't want to start mentioning names right now, but you realize that most of the emails you send go to the spam folder, or they go to the promotion or the social folder. But for you who's going to be using your Gmail applications, you have at least 90% chance of hitting your audience inbox. And how do you go about sending bulk emails every single day using your smartphone? It's very, very simple. Like I told you, it can be tiring, right? But it is actually promising. If you have a good content, if you have a good swipe with a good title line, I told you, you might be getting a good rate of conversion here. You might be getting a good rate of conversion here. So how do you go about sending that bulk email using your Gmail application? Very, very simple. All you have to do is just come over to your Gmail. And now I want to share some things with you guys. It can be very, very helpful. The first thing you have to consider while trying to send a bulk email using your Gmail is that you need to understand that you need to create a brand new Gmail account related to whatever thing you're doing. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, let me just show you something here. This is something that talks about johnathlete@gmail.com. Basically, this is one of the emails I'm making use of to send in athlete product. All right, I'm actually using this email here to send out some of the product I'm actually affiliating for. So for you who wants to send bulk emails using Gmail, you need to make sure you create a Gmail account that is related or resonate with whatever thing you're doing. Maybe you're in the beauty space, you're in the health niche, you're in the make money online niche. Make sure you have a Gmail related or sounds so close to whatever thing you're doing. That's one of the trick I have for you. That's one thing I need to share with you. And another thing is that using the Gmail application, like I said earlier, you have access to hitting your customers' inbox directly. And for you to actually have access to hit your customers' inbox directly, you need to make sure you have a good list. You need to make sure you have a clean list. If your list is not clean, guys, I promise you that Google is going to ban your account. If you send bulk emails and you can only just reach up to 10 people out of 50, guys, that's very, very bad. Your account might be blocked by Google and you might lose it forever. So you want to make sure you have a clean list, right? Number one is that you have what? A Gmail account related to whatever thing you're doing. Number two, you want to make sure you have a clean list. And should in case you wonder how I was able to build up to 10,000 emails in a day. Very, very simple. All you have to do right now is to come over to YouTube and come over to my channel, all right? Or maybe you search for how to scrape emails from Google. You're gonna be seeing my video here. I'm actually one of the top guys ranking for this particular keyword, and I tell you, I've helped a lot of industries, a lot of companies, teaching them a system they can use in growing cold emails for free. So you can come and watch this video here that says scrape 30,000 emails daily. You're gonna be watching this video and you're gonna be learning the simple method I use in scraping up to 10,000 emails every time. For me, it's 10,000, but for you, you might have the time to go further and generate up to 50,000. It depends on the time you have. But for me, I do a lot of things online, so I just put out some a specific time for scraping emails every single day, right? Because I told you, money is in email marketing, guys. Money, real money, is in email marketing. If you do it right, you get the right result, right? So come and watch this video right now and learn how to scrape emails for free. So if you've actually learned how to scrape emails for free, you need to verify. And I also thought about that here in this video. I talked about this here in this video. So you're going to be learning how to scrape emails and also how to verify all these emails for free. So once you have a clean list, guys, you need to make sure you have a clean list. Then the next thing you want to do is to open your Gmail account and start sending your emails 50 by 50. All right, 50 by 50. Like I told you earlier, it is tiring, but it is promising. And I want to say this to you guys: for every one of you hustling, for every one of you putting up the grind, make sure you don't stop. All right, make sure you don't stop. If I had stopped years back, I tell you, most of you might not know me, and some of the results I get now, I would not have been getting it, right? You make sure you keep on grinding. All right, hustle, you get the money and you get yourself the equipment that you use. But if you just keep on to give up, if you just fall and say, all right, I think I'm not going to do it again, you might not get the result you want. All right, keep on grinding, keep on hustling, and I tell you, one day is going to be your payday, and you're going to be having a lot of money to buy every equipment that you use for marketing, right? So that's actually what I have for you right now. If you want to send bulk emails using your Gmail application, all right, using your smartphone, the Gmail application is the best go-to app for you. I'm telling you, from my research and from my experiences, it is the best for you. But you can only send 50 at once. So you send 50, then you go back again, you get another 50, and you send up to 50 again, and you keep on doing that until you clean up, you finish your list for the day, and tomorrow you keep on trying out, and I tell you, you'll be having a high conversion rate. Because you're eating your audience inbox directly. And now, in case you want to learn how I get swipes to use, or maybe you want to steal some of those swipes I use for marketing, all right, I'm actually going to be leaving my group. All right, this is a WhatsApp group, a closed WhatsApp group I am creating just for you. All right, if you want to learn more about me, or maybe you want to connect with me personally, that group is going to bring us together. Right, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the resources I use in marketing and some of the free softwares and some of the books I read. I'm going to be giving all of that to you for free if only you will join the group. So the group link is going to be the first link in the description box below. All right, that will be the first link. Join us there and you're going to be having access to some of my email swipes. Let me just show that to you right now. You can see here some of my email swipes for cold marketing, and I tell you, they have been converting and they will convert for you. So whatever thing you want to promote, be it health, be it money, be it beauty, I have your niche already pinned here for you. So whatever thing you want to do, you're going to be making use of my swipes, and I tell you, this would convert way more and more for you. So join us right now, and you're going to be having access to every of my other resources, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video if you found this also helpful. I remain N.A. Charles, and until next time, bye.